Hello, this is Abhishek, and here are the different tasks. The first task is MxDocs script deployment. Deploy the MxDocs script to the local environment. Ensure the MxDocs script is properly deployed and functional within the development environment. Verify that all required buildings are configured correctly, ensuring smooth execution of the script without any errors. Okay. Uh, this is my env file. Okay, first I create my env file and I'm running the project in XAMPP. Okay, at first I use the command composer install, and then I create the env file here. Okay, username is root here, and I keep the password blank here. Okay, then I have to run the command php artisan serve here. Look here, it is running without any error. If I want to log in here, as you see, I can log in here, okay, without any error. Log into the dashboard. Okay, so this was the first task which is done, and then the second task, design and development the specialist page. Okay, so create a dedicated section on the home page to display the medical specialties. Design and tasks are design and implement a section that showcases a random selection of 6 medical specialties on the home page. Include a humor button to allow users access additional specialties using a clean, visually appealing and responsive card layout for each medical specialty, enhancing the user experience across the devices. Okay, so for that I first have to create a medical specialty table here. Okay, I had created the table, and here is the migration file. Here this is the migration file for medical specialties table. Okay, the columns are specialties, status, created by, updated by. Timestamp, I'm using timestamps and soft deletes here. Okay, the created by and updated by columns are foreign key. Okay, and we are using the reference of users table. Okay, here is the model medical specialties. This is the model. This is the model of medical specialties. Okay, using relationship with doctors. So for that I have created a specialties ID table which is foreign with the medical specialties table. Here is the doctor's table, and the specialties ID here. You can check. And the doctor's model, and the doctor model. Here is the doctor model. Here I am using relationship belongs to with medical specialties model here. Okay, using for NT specialties ID. Okay. So the task was design and implement a section that showcases a random selection of 6 medical specialties. For that, there is a control. Okay, this route there is the function index redirected to the website.home view page. Okay, and I am using the variable medical specialties. Okay, using this model. Look here. This is the card code. This is the code for the card. Okay. To check here. This is the home page, and here is the medical specialties section. Okay, these are the card here. Six medical specialties are here showing. Include a view more button to allow users to access additional specialties. This is the view more button. Okay. Ensure clean, visually appealing, responsive card layout. For responsive card layout, here okay. So the second task is also complete. Now add a consult now button functionality. Enhance user interaction with specialist card. Consult now button functionality. Here I am using consult now button. Okay. Implement functionality so that when a button is clicked, a new page dynamically loads list of doctors associated with selected specialty. Okay. Here is the consult now button here. This is the consult now button here. Okay, and Pass the specialty ID using form and the show doctors route passes to the website controller doctor function. Okay, here specialties ID, passing the data, specialty ID, and with one specialty ID, there is here are the specialty ID column here. Okay, it will fetch the doctors related with this ID, this function. Fetch the doctor related with this ID. Okay, selected ID here. If I here, I am getting the doctors here with the selected specialty. Okay. So these are the tasks.